Alright guys, I got my spotlight here, and if you look, see them snowflakes? It is snowing here and in Tuscaloosa. It's awesome. And there ain't none on the ground here. There's a little bit on the ground. You can barely see it, and I'm out here in my dang shorts. I got a Carhartt jacket on, and I have some fruit leather in the Shut up, Stormy! That's my little sister. Yeah, listen. Crunch. It's crunching. Oh, there it is. Look, that's snow. Oh my God. That is snow. It's piling up, y'all. Supposedly, the roads are supposed to freeze. Ain't that frozen to me? Oh, look, there's some right there. Some right there on the ground. I haven't seen snow in four something years, so I'm all excited. But yeah, it's snowing here in Tuscaloosa. Supposedly we're supposed to have a 80% chance of snow, but if it keeps on going like this it's gonna disappear before daylight. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Okay, I'm going in. I'm cold. Uh-oh. Hope she didn't lock me out. No, she didn't lock me out. It is snowing like a blizzard out there.
Now look, you didn't lock that door.
I'm going to. I'm trying to show them my fruit leather. I'm taking videos. It's cooking. It's moving a little bit. It's going to harden and turn like real leathery, and then we cut it, and it turns to fruit leather. What?
Left the porch light on.
It's on.
The porch light is?
Yeah.
Well, you don't need the flashlight to see it.
I had to go. I had to go out there to see it. I couldn't. You couldn't see it. The light was behind us, so I had to go out there and shine it and point the camera at it, and you'd see a couple snowflakes fall. Daddy's got a couple lines over on his truck. There. No, you can't see him. Hold on. There's a male cat. He's my buddy. Okay, and here is the female cat, and she's pregnant. She's about to have babies probably tomorrow or sometime this week. Turn my flash off. Alright, so I guess see you guys later. Like and subscribe, and there's my dinner. So like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and notify you every time I post another video. So see ya. Like and subscribe.